Hello again guys, this is the video for task 11.29 in your textbook for Tommy Tools. The financial year end of Tommy Tools is 28 February 20.8. His bank balance on this date is 36,000 Rand favorable. On this date they have a post-dated check received from a debtor for 5,000 Rand. This check is dated 3rd March 20.8. They also had issued a post-dated check to one of their suppliers for 9420. This check was dated 12 March 20.8. In 11.29.1, would you make an adjustment in the annual financial statements regarding the post-dated check received? Okay, and the answer for that is no. Okay, and the reason for that is these checks have not been recorded in the books and can only be presented to the bank once the date on the check arrives. So the post-dated check which was received, they would have done nothing with it. Okay, so 5,000 Rand would not affect the financial statements. In 11.29.2, would you make an adjustment in the annual financial statements regarding the post-dated check paid? Say either yes or no and name this type of adjustment. Okay, so yes, we would make an adjustment, okay, because of the prudence concept, and it's called a balance sheet adjustment. Okay. In 11.29.3, what GAAP principle is being applied with regard to the post-dated check? I just answered that now. Okay, it's because of the GAAP concept, prudence. Okay, remember that prudence states that assets must not be overstated, okay, and liabilities must not be understated. So when a post-dated check is issued, it's usually issued to a creditor. But we haven't actually settled the liability with the creditor, so we have to reverse it at the year end. Okay, then calculate the bank balance to be shown on the balance sheet at year end, taking into account the post-dated checks. Okay, so the bank balance was given to you in the question is 36,000 Rand. Okay, we would now add back the post-dated check issued, so plus 9420, which gives us 45,420. Okay, then which other account is involved with regard to the post-dated check? Does this account increase or decrease? So it's usually creditors control, and it increases because the liability increases. 11.29.6, state the procedure involved when the check for 5,000 Rand is deposited on 3rd March. Okay, so we would debit bank and credit debtors control on 3rd of March. What entry would the bank make in its book? State either debit or credit. So when we deposit money, we debit bank, but the bank would credit our account. Does the bank balance of Tommy Tools increase or decrease? Okay, so when the money is deposited, the bank balance will increase. Okay, then 11.29.7, the supplier deposited the check for 9,420 on the stipulated date. What entry did the supplier's bank make? State either debit or credit. The supplier's bank would credit their bank account. What entry would Tommy Tools Bank make? State either debit or credit. Debit, because it's a payment from our side. Does the balance of the bank account in the general ledger of Tommy Tools change after this deposit is made on 12 March 20.8? State why. No. Okay, the reason is the check was recorded in the CPJ on the date of issue. So if it had already been recorded, it's not going to change again now when the check is deposited. Calculate Tommy Tools bank account balance on 12 March. That is after taking into consideration both the post-dated checks. Okay. So it would be 36,000 if we had, okay, plus the 5,000, 36,000 already included the post-dated check which was issued. So all we have to do is add on the post-dated check which we have received to get the new balance of 41,000 Rand. Okay, and that's all there is for this question. Please complete it in your workbook. Alternatively, you may print it and paste it in your workbook. Bye.